I'm going to be testing a new product today on this really badly faded composite door. I've used previous products to no avail, but I've got high hopes for this product and I'm looking forward to getting started. So first things first, and on with the cleanup. It requires a perfectly clean surface, so I'm going to be taking my time ensuring all surfaces are nice and clean. And as we clean, we get a taste of how good things could be as we wet the door with the wipes. So that's the full door done, and it pays not to skimp on the preparation. The product I'm going to be using is Polytrol by Owatrol Colour Restorer, and this is a 125ml tin, and it cost £11.50 and I paid for it out of my own money, so I'm free to say anything I like about it. It comes complete with its own data sheet with some instructions on optimal application, either by brush or cloth. I've chosen to apply it by brush, as I did a cloth last time with some other stuff and I found it easier just to brush in. And I've just done the bit at the top. That's looking really good so far. You get 15 to 20 minutes, I believe, just to work on an area, and then you just leave it be. And see, the edges are a little dulled because I haven't done the frame yet, but I am going to do that so it's all consistent. The good thing about it is a relatively small amount does go a long way, so you can just get a little bit on your brush, spread it round, work it in the grain, etc. I'll probably complete that full panel just out of a really tiny bit on the brush. I've now done 50% of the door or thereabouts, perhaps a little more, and it's looking really good. And unlike the last stuff I used, I'm not having to keep going back, touching over it. You can see it gets progressively worse the lower we go down the door, so I'll just show you how it makes an impression on this really degenerated surface. So it's doing a really good job, and it is actually, it's not regarding itself as a coating, it's more nourishment and feeding in the description. The ideal temperature range for application, it needs to be above 5 degrees C, and you shouldn't apply it in extreme heat conditions. Now a little does go a long way. I've quite like to make a line and then move it side to side just to keep spreading. So that is the door completed with the door frame, and it's all looking absolutely great. Now this needs to be put through a longevity test, so I need to do a follow-up video, and you can maybe see with the tin we haven't really used a lot, probably about 50% of the air gap you see, if I were to take a guess. So we're going to do a follow-up for this door, and when that video's done, it's currently the 12th of September 2024, I will pin it in the comments. Many thanks for watching, and why not subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you'll be notified when that video is posted.